Dogstarmegalazer, manipulating monster. Astronomer's officer, code and conduct. Corrupt enterprise through the eyes of pretty people, pushing poison. Precious, pathetic aggression. We analyze velocity and multiply the measurement. Find the subject matter, all just irrelevant. Wrapped up in ignorance and bagged under arrogance. Breaking under pressure, proves we have no balance in a gravitational scientific notation. We exist in equation and liaison with planets. With all telescopes and corporeal badges. Completely connected in confidential silence. Sworn to secrecy, occasionally violent. Store potential energy as quick as we apply it. We're breaking through science and burning the boundaries of breathtaking speed. We feed off organic.
Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. Fuck off. Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. Fuck off. Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. Synthesize ideas to weaponize stature and control. Import internalized anger to stages astronomer and state intake breath focus lecture fly frictionless language. Make your eyes bleed and float skulls right in diaries. Universe translator babel fish timeless disruptor type input. Insert stop messages leave you inert. Terminate
the enemy 6 dimensions ceremony testimony. Fuck you separately, desperately scratching surfaces and seeking purposes with puppet strings and paragraphs. And half the heart I'll ever have, a bad beyond belief and keep the reputation serious. My only few is meaningless madness. Teaching and sleeping with the enemy is no longer the easiest. I'll escape when I'm awake because I always break the silence.
Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. Fuck off. Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. Fuck off. Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer, Dogstarmegalazer. I see stripped back reality with wider implications. Stead on upon a planet with a godlike constellation. Imposing absolution, turn your life to desolation. Few more awesome installations, astronomers contagion. Grab you by the collar and I'm ushering displacement. I'm offended by stupidity displayed in your complacence. You talk of beef and battle while I'm planning on invasion. Think you're sorta different? Fuck, you were amazing. No point in you were complaining, I'm incorporeal standing. Subsonically resounding, my fury is compounding. Release rattle shattering, brittle bone gathering. Gun rabbit stuttering, style destroy you over telephones. Cackling crows, scattering, crackling brimstones. You're screaming what's happening while I drag you to the kill zone. Throw yourself to the floor, flat and hard. Prowling scars, psychically bombard. Attacking the attacking things now. My etiquette's ancient, my attitude's aggressive. My accents, accident, styles organic, suggestive. World breaker, impressive. The God's bomber, reckless. My words are the weapon, and the crew's uncontested. Release you back to the street, verbally mauled, scarred, scared or desperate. Your numbers be called found, want to molested. Your voice style's old, you should've learned from the lesson. It just doesn't suit you, fighting men for the future.